So this is the second time that I've replaced my windshield wiper blades on my smart car. First time I got a Goodyear wiper blade, which are now worn out. I bought them from Costco. This is a Costco replacement, which is a Michellin Guardian. And it's pretty simple. You basically flip this little button here. Once that button is loosened, you can kind of lift it up and wiggle. It's hard to do this with one hand and film. But basically, it should just pop off like that. So coming out of the package, you get the windshield wiper blade, 4 attachments, 3 were in the box, and some instructions. And the confusing thing is that one of the attachments of the 4 is attached already to the wiper blade, which needs to be taken off. To get this off, you put a pair of screwdriver and you push down on this little bit there and over in the back, and then this back piece will pop off. Be back in a sec. So I use a small screwdriver and my key. I push down on one side and I use the screwdriver to push down on the other side. So there, this piece can now slide out. Wrestling with it with two hands. Got the little bit off and it's ready to go. This one actually works with the long, narrow one, and this one just fits on pretty easily just by being pushed down onto here, and that'll connect it. Then again, take this, push it down, should snap. So once again, take your little screwdriver, push down on this little button, and then it pops, and this whole front piece will slide off. So the next thing you do, you take the blade, you slide it onto your car, and it's going to take 2 hands. But that slides on there, and then it catches onto the back. And I'll be back in a sec. So you have to actually push the blade holder onto the wiper blade to get it to lock in properly. So it has a catch in the back here, and then over in the front there, it's got to be all the way down. Then you can put your little clip back here, and that clip just slides back on. So when the clip's back on, everything looks hunky-dory. So I know this is a pretty unprofessional video. Please, I apologize for that, but it'll maybe save you a little bit of time if you can figure out my video.